Tristan, are you gonna ride the bike?
Wait, I don't want to.
Hmm? What? What the heck? Are you crazy? He threw this water bottle right there. He's insane. Okay, stop. Go. The heck? Wait for it. Listen, I'm gonna throw it. Also, our collection. I'm gonna trample over the leaves right there. The heck? Oh god. Also very windy. Sorry for getting here. Also. What?
Don't do it!
Drink it. There we go. No, you have to close it. Close it very tight. Oh, she. No! Don't do it! You have to close it. Alright. Ow! What the heck? Seriously, he's possessed. He's possessed.
Don't drink my water.
Okay. He kicked it. What the heck is
Now I'm
wrong?
gonna get a new one because of you.
That is like literally Fiji. Do you know how darn expensive that is just for like 6 bottles of water? It's like $15 or something. Jesus. Hold on. Next time on Possessed Kid.